This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League on PlayStation 4 with a keyboard and mouse. First, ensure your USB keyboard and mouse are plugged into the console's front USB ports. The PlayStation 4 typically recognizes these devices automatically, so no special drivers are usually needed. Once connected, simply launch Rocket League. The game is designed to accept both controller and keyboard and mouse inputs simultaneously, allowing you to navigate menus and control your car with your preferred setup. After connecting your keyboard and mouse, head into Rocket League's Options menu, then select the Controls tab. Here, you can fully customize every action, from jumping and boosting to air rolling and power sliding. Take your time to assign keys that feel natural and comfortable for your playstyle. Don't forget to fine-tune your mouse sensitivity. A lower setting often provides more precise aiming for aerial shots and dribbles, while a higher setting allows for quicker camera adjustments. Playing Rocket League with a keyboard and mouse offers distinct advantages, particularly in aiming precision for aerial shots and fine car control. The digital input of a keyboard can provide very consistent movements, which some players prefer over analog sticks. However, be prepared for a significant learning curve. Mastering advanced mechanics like half flips or wave dashes might initially feel less intuitive than on a controller, requiring dedicated practice to build muscle memory and achieve fluidity in your gameplay. To truly excel with keyboard and mouse in Rocket League, consistent practice is essential. Dive into the game's extensive training packs, focusing on drills for aerial control, dribbling, and precise shooting. Don't be afraid to revisit your keybinds and mouse sensitivity as you gain experience. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Remember, developing proficiency takes time and dedication, but with persistent effort, you can master the unique advantages that keyboard and mouse offers in this fast-paced game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.